Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching small talk in Sotho. O shebahala o le motle. O shebahala o le motle. O shebahala o le motle means you look beautiful. Ibe nka usuna. Ibe nka usuna. Ibe nka usuna means may I kiss you? Ke o hopotse. Ke o hopotse. Ke o hopotse. Ke o hopotse means I miss you. Ke a o rata. Ke ya o rata. Ke a o rata means I love you. O sale hantle. O sale hantle. O sale hantle. O sale hantle means goodbye. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.